Hello guys, and welcome into a new point of view driving episode on this late evening. At 8:30 p.m. I see they started the work on this side of the street. They will make a dedicated line, let's say a dedicated lane for the bus. So I think it will not be such a good thing for the traffic, especially on this street on the rush hours. I mean, it's really bad just as it is. If one lane will disappear, it will be bad, but we'll see. I received today my GoPro batteries, and I mean, it was really a pleasant surprise. Because on AliExpress at least the shipping written there was scheduled for 12 August. Today they arrived right on my door. 3 of them with a special charger, so hopefully this time I will charge them properly and I won't get the problem I had with my original GoPro battery, which swallowed, and I could barely take it out from the camera today. That was caused most probably because I charged it only from inside of the camera by connecting it to the PC, and the voltage was not enough, or the voltage, the amps. You can imagine what type of charging you can get from a computer. Right now you see me driving, or at least if you see any light reflected from the other cars in front of me, I'm driving with the OSRAM Nightbreaker 220, only on the low beams, and I can tell you they are really the second disappointment from OSRAM, but this is really greater than the first one I got with that up to 5000K with the Cool Blue Intense Next Gen. These I've already measured them twice with the light meter. I really was really annoyed by the fact that I had to double, triple, quadruple check these lights because the results are so low. but this is a first. You will see on the recording at 3 meters away they scored about the same as OSRAM OSRAM Cool Blue Intense Next Gen, just shy over 3,000 lux. I mean, it's for a bulb that says it's with 20% better than Philips or OSRAM Nightbreaker 200. So the light also is so warm. I mean, this is as warm as OSRAM Ultralife. OSRAM Ultralife, OSRAM Original. That's how warm this light is. And the results were with about 280, let's say 260 lux lower than Nightbreaker 200 and 280 lux lower than Philips Racing Vision GT 200 at 3 meters away. But there was something strange, because at 30 centimeters away, so on the close range, you can see how dull they are. I mean, you don't even say that I have the lights turned on. It is really it is really a joke compared to the LEDs, but even compared with the other plus 200% halogens. And yeah, I will see when I will be able to make the entire review to finish it. But I'm considering really seriously not to purchase anything from this brand again, because I paid a small fortune for these bulbs, for 2 sets. I mean, I really had high hopes for them. No, to test them on both beams, and yeah, I mean, it is really strange. So at 30 centimeters away, they this was the anomaly. They went out of the scale, so they were brighter than OSRAM Cool Blue Intense Next Gen, brighter than Philips Extreme Vision Pro 150. At 30 centimeters away, so right on the headlamp. But at 3 meters away, it seems like the light disappears. It goes, I don't know, in a void, something. So they do not perform well in not even in, it's still in close range. I mean, 3 meters away. I moved the light meter. If I had both of them, I couldn't get them to at least equal the plus 200% from OSRAM and Philips. And they are weak. I mean, just by the look of them, it's not only that I got used to the LEDs, it's simply as the reality, and the light meter says it all. So yeah, this is the fact with them. I do not know who who would buy these bulbs. So I mean, it's like OSRAM looked and said, man, do we have some leftovers of OSRAM Ultra Life? Let's paint them yellow on the tip, throw just a sprinkle of blue coating, and pack them up. And again, guys, I was so excited to review them too. You will see this also in the time I've put into the comparisons, the presentations for the comparisons of them with Philips Racing Vision GT200, with OSRAM Nightbreaker 200, with Ring Xenon 200. You will see this. But after the light meter test last night, yeah, I'll be right back in about 1 hour. Okay, back. Again, a comparison. You saw the difference. And now I'm wondering if I have my low beams on. Let's see if I turn on the fog lamps. Yeah. guys, thank you so much for watching. I wish you all the best. I really hope you have a better and brighter low beam than what I have right now. I wish you all the best. Pleasant evening and night, and I'll catch you in the next ones. Take care wherever you are. Bye bye.